Ice buckets are great to have for hosting parties in your home or bringing to social gatherings. They keep your ice cold, so your drinks will stay chilled. They can also add to your decor, especially if you prefer items that are sleek and modern looking. There are many products available to choose ice buckets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ice buckets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Double Wall Ice Bucket. This ice bucket is functional and durable. Its sturdy plastic construction withstands scratches to the inside and outside very well. It holds about 1 gallon of ice, and keeps it solid for hours. The inner double wall is made of aluminum, which offers quality insulation and reduces condensation. It has a reservoir for melted water, which helps keep the remaining ice frozen for longer. It features a removable tray to keep your drink garnishes protected and chilled, as well as a convenient carrying handle. It includes a pair of nylon tongs, which have sharp teeth to easily grab ice. The tongs can be conveniently stored by hanging on the either side of the bucket. Positive side of this product: functional and durable ice bucket. Sturdy plastic construction and aluminum double wall withstand scratches well. Offers quality insulation and reduces condensation. Number 2. Clexical Cooler Bag. This elegant ice cooler bag is a bit of a splurge, but so worth it. The bag is gorgeous and comfy to carry around at the same time. It is more like an ultra-sleek and soft backpack, made of vegan leather. It is large capacity, and has enough space to hold 8 cans and 2 wine bottles at one time. It comes in a variety of funky colors, including seafoam and rose quartz. It is highly portable. Try taking it with you hiking, or to festivals, picnics, etc. This bag is made with high-performance closed-cell foam insulation, which keeps your beverages chilled throughout the day. The interior liner is made with food-safe TPU, which keeps harsh chemicals away from your drinks and food. The liner is fully heat-welded to resist mildew, mold, and odors. It features a rear accessory pocket and adjustable straps. There is a full zip closure. And the handles and base are made of reinforced vegan leather. It is easy to clean. Simply wipe with a damp towel. Positive side of this product: made with high-performance closed-cell foam insulation to keep drinks chilled. Number 3. Craft House by Fortessa Professional. This unique oval ice bucket is a popular choice among pro bartenders when they entertain at home. The manufacturer designed it in collaboration with world champion bartender Charles Joly. His aim was to make it the best choice for use indoors. It features a streamlined design along the lines of Art Deco architecture. The bucket is made of double-walled stainless steel construction, which ensures excellent performance. The oval shape, measuring 12 by 5 inches, makes it easy to fit a 6-pack of cans, or 2 bottles beside each other. It has a low profile, which makes it easy to reach in and grab a drink without getting your hands cold with ice. If you are using the bucket to store ice instead of drinks, the oblong shape makes it easy to run your ice scoop along the full length of the bucket. It has an interior drain gate that lifts the ice out of the melted water. And it features a lid that, when not in use, easily clips to the wall of the bucket. How handy! It is easy to clean by hand. Positive side of this product: unique oval ice bucket with Art Deco design. Designed in collaboration with champion bartender Charles Joly. Made of double-walled stainless steel, for excellent performance. Has interior drain gate that lifts ice out of melted water. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.